Good morning, sir.
Morning, ma'am. So please open all of you objective material, volume 1. What is the strength in chemistry class today?
Sir, 50, around 58 or 59, sir, when I saw in the starting.
Are you seeing the screen?
Yes, sir.
So page number volume 1, page number 24. Page number 24. Question I won't write. Don't ask answer. Question I won't write. Okay. You have to bring your material. If you didn't collect the material, today better to go and collect the material today itself. Okay. Right. So 40th problem. See that 40 onwards. See, theory questions are there. Theory questions you do it somewhat. So they are giving different electrical intensity. All these things how we can understand. See that 63 onwards. 63 onwards. See that because remaining questions, some questions were first year belongs to first year. What second year questions? Some questions are there. See that 56 question magnetic moment, magnetic flux, mu naught by 4 pi, Siemens, electrical intensity 1/4 epsilon naught.
Electricity chapter, no, sir, all of those.
Yeah, that is 63 onwards. We can solve 63 onwards. See that 63, ma? All of you, ma. See that 63. The dimensional formula for product of two physical quantities. Product of two physical quantities. Two physical quantities. P and Q is means PQ they are giving. PQ equal to what they are giving? PQ what they are giving? ml square T power minus 2. ml square what here? T power minus 2. The dimensional formula of P by Q. Dimensional formula of P by Q is what here? Mt power minus 2. Then P and Q are respectively. So for this, what we should do?
First, force and displacement, sir.
Yeah. P into Q divided by PQ. It becomes what? ml square T power minus 2. And here T power minus 2. Okay. Q will get cancelled. P square. M power 1, M power 1. It becomes M square. L square as it is. T power minus 2, T power minus 2. T power minus 2.
Minus 4, sir.
Equal to what?
MLT power minus 2, sir.
Nothing but force.
This we should remember, no, sir, that force it is MLT power minus 2.
Right. So force dimensional formula is what here? MLT power minus 2. So we finally dimensional formula of P becomes MLT power minus 2. That is a P is nothing but force. P is nothing but force. Okay. And next, divide these two. Divide these two. It becomes ml square T power minus 2. and m t power minus 2. Okay, these two get cancelled. These two will get cancelled. So P will get cancelled. Q will goes to the numerator. It becomes what? Q square. Q square equal to L square. Q equal to L. So that means it is what here? Displacement. Displacement, the what they are giving me? Displacement. Displacement. So quantity Q is a displacement, quantity P is a force. Understanding all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Understand.
Completed?
Yes, sir.
1 minute, sir.
Yeah, right.
Yes, sir. Done.
J and E represent angular momentum and rotational kinetic energy. Okay, angular momentum. So generally, J is angular momentum. Means angular momentum means what? Linear momentum into perpendicular distance. Okay, don't you worry about that. Don't you worry about that. Where it will come in rotational motion chapter. So till that you have to wait. Angular momentum equal to linear momentum into perpendicular distance. Linear momentum is what? mv. Perpendicular distance, let us say x. m. V means what? Lt power minus 1. Distance L. Okay. L square T power minus 1. Angular momentum definite. It is a dimensional form. Next step. Rotational kinetic energy. Rotational kinetic energy. Simple. When body is moving along straight line, that body will have translational or linear kinetic energy. The same body moving in rotatory motion, it will have what here, man? It will have rotational kinetic energy, half I omega square. Of course, no need to worry where this equation. All energies will have maybe rotational kinetic energy, maybe translational, maybe sound energy, light energy, heat energy, electric energy, magnetic energy, electromagnetic energy. All energies will have same dimensional formula, nothing but a work dimensional formula. Can you say what is the dimensional formula of energy? Work. And yesterday I told you 12 questions, 12 dimensional quantities. How many members completed that?
Sir.
Yeah. One thing I want to tell you clearly, ma'am. Yesterday I gave dimensional formula of work properly. 2 times or 3 times I gave the formula. You check your notes. And you are not even, no one is telling the dimensional formula of work. One thing I want to tell you clearly. Without revising the previous day or day before yesterday's notes or day before yesterday's notes. If you come to the class means every formula I should write, I will explain. My knowledge will increase. You never get, you will get all obviously 0 marks. Nothing will happen. You will listen, that's all. If you revise the notes, you will respond. If you are not revising the notes, simply you will listen, that's all. Listening will not work out when competitive for your kind information. Listening will not work out. You have to work like a machine. Machine, I told you. Again, I'm telling you, you have to work like a machine. Okay. So without revising the yesterday's and day before yesterday's notes, and without completing the homework. So if you come to the class means, so useless. You ultimately after second year or the middle of the second year, you have to stick with the board only, descriptive. That's all. You cannot get the marks in competitive. So yesterday I told you, revise that Of course, if you are starting day, I told you, whatever the topic we completed, revise NCERT, revise Excel. You will get the note. When you have to revise up to 6 o'clock or 5 o'clock, I have class. I will study daily up to 11:30. I'll wake up by sharp 6 o'clock, around 6. 6.5 hours is enough. It's not enough. 6.5 hours. That you are in teenage, nothing will happen. Okay, fine. So you decide yourself. You decide. You have to study for you. If you study, you will get the marks. If you didn't study, enough. 2 years will complete. Your wish. So energy dimensional formula, work dimensional formula, ml square t power minus 2. Sir always will tell study. After 2-3 months, simple. If your average is not good, it's useless. Right. So angular momentum dimensional formula, energy dimensional formula. No magics, my here. No magics. If you do work, you will get the rank. We will do our work 100%, no doubt in it. From your side also, you should. Right. So J square. J square means what here? J square means ml square t power minus 1. ml square what here? T power minus 1. ml square t power minus 1 whole square. And 2 does not having any dimensional formula. E value is what here? ml square t power minus 2. Okay. Now it becomes m square l power 4 t power minus 2. Okay. And today also I will give roughly 10 questions more. Again homework. So anyhow, sir won't check. Again I'm telling you, you have to do for you, not for me. Whether you are doing or not, whether I'm teaching or not, they never stop to conduct the examination. You should try it. Hope you understand. Now it becomes what here? ml square. Okay. So J square 2e. J square 2e dimensional formula ml square. It is according to given. Now we have to check. What options? Right up to here. We took the admission in advance 100%. No. So yearly, nearly 100 members will be there last year also in advance section. So hardly those who studied, they got the rank. That's all. We will teach. But the thing is, from your side, you have to work like a machine. Every subject 1 hour work compulsory. That's true. After completion of the classes, every subject 1 hour compulsory. You are listening 10 hours, 9 hours classes, and again, no, you should. That's all. Not have, you should. No option. Okay. Right. Next, first option, moment of couple, moment of force, both are same. It will come in rotational motion. Moment of couple, moment of force, both are nothing but we can call torque. We can call what is that? Torque. Torque is nothing but moment of force, nothing but moment of couple. Okay. So that is a force into perpendicular distance. So yesterday only I told you this chapter is related to all other chapters. Okay. Some variety work definition suddenly will come. Don't skip. Torque equal to force into perpendicular distance. Force dimensional formula what?
ml t power minus 1, sir. No.
He's telling. Right. So you are revising notes properly, right? So ml t power minus 2 and x is L. It becomes ml square t power minus 2. So it is a first option and it is second option also same. By mistake, they give 2 options are same. Both are wrong. Why? Because what is the dimensional formula of J square by 2e ml square? Next, C1. Moment of inertia. I will tell you this. For example, it is one axis. It is one particle of mass m. It is at a distance r. So this particle is rotating in a circular path. So this particle will have moment of inertia. When particle is at rest, which property that particle will have? Inertia of rest. Of course, because of inertia only, body remains in rest. So because of rest, we can call that is inertia of rest property. Similarly, when particle is moving in a circular path, so rotational inertia property. Okay, if it is in rest, it will have inertia of rest property. If it is in rotatory motion, it will have rotational inertia. So measure of that rotational inertia is nothing but moment of inertia. Again, it will come rotational motion chapter. How we can define m into r square, product of mass of the particle and the square of distance of the particle from the axis of rotation. Okay, so I equal to m means what here? M, and r means this length only. It is L square. What is the dimensional formula of moment of inertia? Ml square. That is a matching with the j square by 2e, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, last one is force. Force means what? MLT power minus 2. Again, it is wrong. Only third option is correct. Completed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next, 65 questions. See that. Mu equal to a plus b by lambda plus c by lambda square is a dimensionally correct. They are only telling dimensionally correct. The dimensions of a, b, c respectively are. So here mu equal to a plus b by lambda, c by lambda square. C by lambda square. We have to find out dimensional formula of A, B, C. Can anybody say principle of homogeneity?
The dimensional formula of mu equals A equals B by lambda equals C by lambda.
Stupids, please revise your notes. Stupids, please revise your notes. I'm telling you. Tell the definition I'm asking. Tell the definition at least. After completion of 2 days class, if you are not giving one definition, what I
Hello.
should teach? Tell my definition. Tell what is the principle of homogeneity?
The physical quantities having same dimensional formula.
Open the notes and read at
added,
least.
subtracted, or
The physical
equated.
quantities having same dimensional formula can be added, subtracted, and equated.
So for searching this much time you took, am I correct? Do the same thing, ma. This is not fair, ma. It will not work out, ma. For your kind information, it will not work out. And don't expect any marks also. Right. So here z equal to x plus y. So we can write dimensional formula of x, dimensional formula of y. Similarly, dimensional formula of z equal to dimensional formula of x. Dimensional formula of z equal to dimensional formula of y. This is what I gave at the time of explanation. Similarly here, mu, we can equate mu equal to a. Mu equal to a. Here mu is what here? Constant. A is also constant. So a is obviously what here? Dimensionless. A is obviously what here? Dimensionless. Right. Next, mu equal to b by lambda. A is a dimensionless, means mu also dimensionless, right? Mu also dimensionless. So that means b equal to mu into lambda. Mu value, a value, both are same. Both are same here. Okay. M power 0, L power 0, T power 0. And here, dimensional formula of wavelength. Wavelength means what? Length, L. Wavelength is what here, ma? It is what? It is a wavelength. It is also length only, L only. So it becomes what? L. Dimensional formula of V is what? L. Dimensional formula of A is dimensionless quantity A. Similarly, mu equal to what? C by lambda square. That means C equal to lambda square into mu dimensional formula what? M power 0, L power 0, T power 0. T power 0. Right. It becomes what? Lambda square means what? L square, right?
Yes, sir.
Therefore, C dimensional formula L square. Option they are giving wrong number. First option is correct. A is dimensionless, B is L, C is L square. Please revise the notes and come. Okay, my intention is you should get the good marks and you should respond. First option is correct. Completed.
Yes, sir.
Next, 66. If unit of length is doubled and that of mass and time is half, the unit of energy. Can you say what is the dimensional formula of energy?
ml square t power minus 2.
ml square t power minus 2. Next, what they are telling, see, unit of length is doubled. Unit of length means what here? 2L. It is a given case. This is what we have to solve it. So 2L square. And that of mass and time are half. Mass half and time also half. Right? So it becomes m by 2, 4L square and t power minus 2 and 2 power minus 2. Is it correct? 2 ml square t power minus 2 and 2 power minus 2 will come numerator 2 square. 2 square means 4 2s are 8. Yeah, it becomes what? E, right?
Yes,
8
sir.
times.
Double.
8 times.
Yes, sir. 8 times.
In the textbook, they've given the answer is 4. Remains the same
Wrong.
in the textbook. So the textbook answer is wrong.
Yes, ma'am. They are giving same. Mass and time is half. Okay. M by 2, 2L whole square and T by 2 whole square. It is correct only. It is correct.
8 times, no, sir?
8 times. 8 times. It is correct. Key mistakes are there, ma. Key mistakes are there. Don't based only on the volume keys, please.
Okay, sir.
Completed.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
67. The acceleration of an object varies in the time as a equal to at square plus bt plus c. I think I'll give it clarity now. Yeah. You know, same problem, 66 same problem in the mains material. They are giving a double key in mains material, same 66 problem. They are giving a double. In advanced problem, they are giving same. Both are wrong. See, a equal to 80 square plus bt plus c, taking the unit of time as 1 second, okay, acceleration as meter per second, the unit of abc respectively, right? So here, no, acceleration dimension formula, can you say?
m power 0 l power 1 t power minus 2.
Correct. Correct. So here, so we can write directly here, we can equate a equal to at square. Correct? A equal to bt. A equal to c. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
A by t square. A means what? Lt power minus 2 by t square. It becomes what? At power minus 2. It is meter second power minus 4. They are giving units. They are not giving dimension. Maybe they can ask units. Maybe they can ask dimensions.
Sir, units are like dimensions only, no? So like meters for length, seconds is for time. So we can write LT power minus 4 also here.
Yeah. M s power minus 4. B is what? A by t. A LT power minus 2. It is a t. It becomes LT power minus 3. Means meter second power minus 3.
-3.
So C equal to A. A means LT power minus 2. Meter second power minus 2.
Fourth option, sir.
Fourth
Yeah.
option, sir.
Completed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next. One note point write down, all of you. Note point write down. Note point write down. Non-algebraic functions, write down. Non-algebraic functions. Non-algebraic functions like trigonometric ratios, exponential functions, logarithmic functions, does not having dimensional formulae. Does not having dimensional formulae. Does not having dimensional formulae. Right. So does not have a dimensional formula. It is nothing but what happened. Limitations of dimensional analysis. Actually, I should give that, but anyhow, time is that is I didn't give that a single point. It is limitations of dimensional analysis. What I gave the note point, that is. So trigonometric ratios means sine function, cos function, tan function, secant, cosecant. It does not having dimensional formula. and also logarithmic. So log x square, log 2x, basic like this, does not having dimensional form. And exponentially ex, e power 2x, ex cube like this, does not having dimensional form. Okay, na? Sine function, trigonometric ratios, logarithmic functions, exponential functions does not having dimensional formula. Okay, formula. Just keep in your mind that. Right. So see that 68 neta equal to a by b log bx plus c. They are giving dimensionally. They are only telling dimensionally correct. Then here neta is a coefficient of viscosity. So don't scare coefficient of viscosity, and no need to learn also now. Dimensional formula of coefficient of viscosity. This, remember this one. Remember this one. Okay. Then we should go for optional. This option also wrong. This option also what here wrong. Key also wrong. If you observe carefully, that what here hints are there, na, that hint also something all they are giving. Observe carefully. There is no relation between that hint and that question also. Okay. So here 68 ma. So that this option also wrong ma, what they are giving. So first we have to know here. Observe carefully. Logarithmic functions does not have a dimensional formula, right? So log of bx plus c is there. That means bx plus c does not have a dimensional formula. Just now I told you, right? Log, whatever log function is there, so that internal function does not have a dimension. This total log function does not have a dimensional form. Okay, right. So here it becomes what here, man? Bx plus c equal to this one. That means x plus y equal to z. Then we can equate y equal to z and also x equal to z. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So we can write here, c equal to m power 0, l power 0, t power 0. Means what here? Dimensionless constant. Okay. First option, that is first option correct. Next, B option is what now? So here, Bx also we can equate, right? Bx equal to what? M power 0, L power 0, T power 0. Then B into, it is what here? X means position, means length, is L. M power 0, L power 0, T power 0. That implies B equal to what? L power minus 1. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, sir.
B option also correct. Next, observe carefully. Listen carefully at the time. Here, total this function does not have a dimensional form. Of course, internal functions will have. The total logarithmic function does not have a dimensional form. Okay. So what is the remaining here? A by B. Means total log function is what here? What function? M power 0, L power. Here you can write M power 0, L power 0, T power 0. Okay, na? This one. You can write here log of bx plus c is this one. Then bx plus c also same. Understanding?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Right. So next, what they're asking, a value. A equal to neta into b. Neta dimensional formula what? M L power minus 1, T power minus 1. B value what? L power minus. It becomes what? M L power minus 2, T power minus 1. T power minus 1. So dimensional formula of A is M L power minus 2, T power minus 1. Right? So third option also correct. So all are true. All are true. Please try to understand. Completed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. See that next question, ma? 69. If a minute is the unit of time, okay, 10 meter per second square is a unit of acceleration, and 100 kg is a unit of mass, the new unit of work. Little bit confusing, but listen carefully. Time, what they are giving? 1 minute. What they are giving? 1 minute means 60 seconds. And acceleration is what? 10 meter per second square. Right. And mass is what? 100 kg. What is the new unit of work? This is what they're asking. This is what they're asking. Listen carefully. Actually, work dimensional formula what? M.
M power.
Okay. Here, M is what here? Mass means 1 kg actually. L is what here? Length 1 meter square. Time is what here? Second. 1 second whole power minus 2. It is original. Mass means 1 kg. M means what here? 1 kg. Meaning means 1 kg. Length means 1 meter. Time means 1 second. It is original. So when, but they are considering, instead of considering 1 kg, 1 meter, 1 second, they are considering time is 60 seconds. Means instead of 1 second, they are considering 60 seconds. So instead of 1 kg, they are considering 100 kg. So time they are not, means length they are not giving. We have to find out the length. Okay. We know acceleration equal to what here? Acceleration equal to, 1 second, I will tell you. What is that? Acceleration equal to what here? A equal to L by T power minus 2. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
L equal to A into T power minus 2. A value what they are giving? 10 meter second power minus 2. Okay. Time what they are giving?
Sir, I
Yes.
don't think it's L by T power minus 2. It's L by T power 2, not minus 2. Or am I wrong?
Acceleration dimension formula tell. Yeah.
Acceleration.
Yeah. In denominator, right? Yeah. Thank you. Right. So L T power 2, L by T square, and A it becomes 1 second. Yeah, you are right. So L equal to A T square. A value is what here? 10 meter second power minus 2. And T value is what here? 60. I'm sorry. 60 seconds whole square. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
10 meter second power minus 2 and 3600 second square. Second power minus 2 second square will get cancelled. What is the remaining here? Meter. So 36 into 10 power 3 meter length. Instead of 1 meter, what they are considering indirectly? 36 into simply 36,000 meters they are considering. Okay. Length, this value they are considering. Time 1 minute means 60 seconds they are considering. Mass 1 kg means they are considering 100 kg. Whenever it is a length, it is a time, it is a mass. If you consider these three different variety quantities, then what is a new unit of work done they are asking? New unit of work done. Okay, na? Remember carefully. Okay. Then generally it is work done dimensional formula what here, ma? M L square ML square T power minus 2. Then W dash new work done. Mass means what here, ma? 1 kg. But in this case, what they are considering? 100 kg. So length, what they are considering?
36
Meter.
minus 3 meter.
So time, what they are considering, ma? 60 seconds. So it is kg meter square second power minus 2. Original unit this one. Original unit. Okay. Right. So it becomes 100 kg. It is 36 square. 36 into 36 into 10 power 3 whole square means 10 power 6 meter square. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, we can cancel the powers, right?
Yes, yes. No. Which powers, ma?
2 and minus 2.
No. There is no such type of. Ma, please.
Sorry, sir. Minus.
Bases are not equal, ma. If bases are equal, what you told that is correct.
Yes, sir, without saying that I told.
Right. So complete it up to here, right down. Up to here, right down. Calculation only remaining. Kg.
So is it 36 into 10 to the power 6?
Correct, ma'am. You are right. So W dash equal to, so it becomes what here, ma'am? 100 kg. It is 36 into 10 power 36 into 36 into 10 power 6 meter square and into 60 whole power minus 2. So it becomes what here, ma'am? 60 square will come into second power minus 2. Okay, na? It becomes what here? 36 into 100 into divided by here 60 square means what? 3600 kg meter square second power minus 2. Is it correct? I forgot here 10 power
10 to minus.
10 power 6 I forgot, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, into 10 power 6. So here 3600 get cancelled. 36 into 10 power 6 kg meter square second power minus 2. But instead of kg meter square second power minus 2, we can write joules. Kg meter square second power minus 2 is nothing but 1 joule. 1 joule, please. Completed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next. So 70%.
Show previous page, sir? Thank you, sir.
Yes. 70th question. See that? The magnitude of force is 100 Newton. If the unit of mass and time are doubled and that of length is half, then its value will be very simple. Force equal to what here, ma? 100 Newton. Okay. Newton is what generally, what is the dimensional formula of Newton? ML t power minus 2. Correct? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So 100 into what they are doing. See that if units of mass and time are doubled, okay, 2m, m becomes 2m, t becomes 2t, and length is half L by 2. Is it correct? Two power minus 2, t power minus 2, 100. 2 power minus 2 means 2 square. ml t power minus 2. F dash becomes what? 100 by 4. ml t power minus 2. It becomes what? 25. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Initially 100 Newton, now it becomes 25. ml t power minus 2 is nothing but 1 Newton now. 1 Newton is nothing but what? ml t power minus 2, please. Please revise the notes, at least come tomorrow. So first I won't start the new topic. I will ask randomly questions. Okay, if I satisfied with your answer, I will go for the new topic. Otherwise, leave it. I won't start that. So the next topic, errors also. In your own words also, you can no need to by heart. Just revise, and if I ask the question, you can tell in your own words. Because in first year anyhow, there is no final board examination. No need to go outside and write like second years. Subject you should understand. That is my intention. Why I am giving each and every pinpoint without revising, simply you are filling the notes. What is the use for that? Completed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
$71. So SI unit and CGS unit of a quantity vary by 10 power 3 times. Then it is Boltzmann constant. PV equal to NKBT. Okay, na? KB. Do you know this relation?
70, sir, the 71th question is if the units of length.
Wait. Oh, I forgot.
You are doing 72nd question, sir.
Yeah. Sorry. Yeah. 71. No? If unit of length and force are increased, it is a question answer wrong. Man. If units of length and force are increased, not by 4 times, increased to 2, you want to put 2 man. Round off that by, don't strike man. Just round off that by and write TO2. All of you. The unit of energy will be, okay, energy equal to work done. That is equal to what? Force into displacement. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
So F into L. Displacement is L. So energy. Next, what they are telling me? E dash. What they are doing? Length and force. Why I am considering only this equation instead of considering ml square t power minus 2? They are giving in terms of force and length. Energy in terms of force and length only available for this one, FL or FS. That is why it depends on given parameters. That formula should come in our mind. When how that the type of formula will come in our mind. If you do more number of problems, automatically the ideas will come in your mind whenever you see the problem. More number of problems you have to practice. That is only the shortcut. There is no any shortcut. Okay. E dash equal to force becomes 4 times 4F. Length also becomes 4 times. Length also becomes what here? 4F. So 4F. It becomes what? 16 FL. It becomes what here, ma? 16 FL. Means 16. FL is nothing but what? Is nothing but what here, ma? E. Okay, now they're asking percentage of increase. Remember carefully, percentage of increase in any quantity if they're asking, that is compulsory. Listen carefully. Final minus initial divided by initial into 100. This is what they're asking. This is what they're asking. Right. Percentage increase mean not only energy, final minus initial divided by initial into 100. Increase in length, final length minus initial length by initial length into 100. Percentage increase in velocity, final velocity minus initial velocity 100. For any quantity, blindly remember. Okay. If you are getting this percentage is a positive increase. If you are getting that percentage, that final answer is a negative, we can say that percentage is decreasing. Okay, fine. So final percentage energy is what? 16E minus initial is E divided by E into 100. Okay, now it becomes what here, ma? 15E divided by E into 100. It becomes what? 1500 percentage. So it becomes what, ma? Final minus initial is a change, means delta E divided by E into 100. This is what they're asking. Did you understand this problem, ma?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And I forgot to tell you, in the problem they are giving increased by 4 times. If we keep that by only, what will happen? See, initially is E only. Listen carefully, very, very important. So final becomes what here? Already E is there, increased by, that means 4E. See here, increased by, increased to, total problem will change. Be careful. Increased by means whatever is there, for that we should add that 4 times. Increased to 2 means we should consider final only that. Not only for this problem, in any problem in entire first year and second year. Be careful about that. Decreased by, for example, E minus 4E. Decrease E minus 4E. Let us say decreased to 2 means the final only we should consider 4E. Increased or decreased. By means we should add or we should subtract. Increased to 2 or decreased to 2 means we should consider that only, that is only the final value. Here increased and decreased. So increased by 4. That means 4 only we should consider directly. Okay. So if you do the more problems, we can get the clarity there. Next ma 72. 72. SI unit and CGS unit of a quantity vary by 10 power 3 times. Okay, fine. We have to check option wise, we have to check what we can. So very dangerous. So PV equal to what here? NKBT. PV equal to NKBT. Right. Boltzmann constant is what? Equal to PV divided by NT. Okay. N number, no unit. Time, anyhow, temperature is a Kelvin. In SI system, Kelvin, degree. For example, in SI system, Kelvin. In CGS system, degree C. Degree C. But 1 degree C is 1 Kelvin only, right? Difference in temperature of 1 degree C. Difference in Kelvin, difference in temperature and Kelvin scale also 1 Kelvin only. Is it correct, ma?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So it is what here? PV is nothing but what? Work done, right? Work done equal to force into displacement. Force is what? Pressure equal to force per unit area. Then force equal to pressure into area. Already work done is what? PV, right? Did you remember this?
Yes, sir.
Work done equal to, anyhow, I'll tell you here only again you confuse why I should. See, work done equal to force is a pressure into area. Okay, pressure into area into displacement. Then area into displacement is what? Volume. So it is what here, man? It is what? PV we can write what here? Joule. So it means work by N into T. Work is a joule and number no unit. Temperature Kelvin. It is in SI system. SI system. In a CGS system, actually in a CGS system, arc. So it is SI system is what? Joule per Kelvin. And a CGS, 1 joule equal to how many ergs, man? 10 power. Yeah, per degree C. What is the difference between these two? 10 power 7, right?
Yes, sir.
So first option wrong. First option wrong. Gravitational constant. Yo, we have to verify my everything. Okay, fine. No problem. M1 M2 by R square. It will come in gravitation chapter. F equal to G into M1 M2 by R square. Anybody having idea regarding this equation? No idea, no? Okay, fine. So here gravitational constant, ma'am, G equal to F R square divided by M1 M2. F is a Newton meter square kg square. It is SI. It is what here, ma'am? SI. CGS becomes what? Newton means what? How many dynes, ma'am? 1 Newton equal to? No response. 1 Newton equal to how many dynes?
10 to the power 5.
5.
That is what I'm asking. Respond at least sometimes. 1 meter equal to how many centimeter?
100.
100. 1 kg, kg into kg, kg square. 1 kg equal to 1000 grams whole square. Little bit lengthy, ma. I can say lengthy question. Don't be very lengthy question. Tough, they are giving lengthy. That's all. Again, for this also they are giving wrong answer. It becomes what? 10 power 5. 100 square means 10 power 4 into dyne centimeter square. And here 10 power 6 gram square. It is correct, right? See here, in a numerator 10 power 9, denominator 10 power 6. What is the remaining? 10 power 3, right?
Yes, sir.
So in compared to in SI system, 1 Newton meter square kg square. In CGS system, 10 power 3. Dyne is centimeter square gram square. So difference is what? 10 power 3. So second option correct, but they are giving third option point blank. Wrong. Third option difference is 10 power 7. Of course, for you, no need. Second option is correct. How many key mistakes? Wow. Completed. Yeah. 73. The final velocity of a particle falling freely under the gravity is given by v square minus u square equal to 2gx. Okay, where g is 100 centimeter by x is 120, then u value. V square minus u square equal to 2as. Do you know this relation, ma, in lower classes?
Yes, sir.
Okay. For freely fall, it is 2gx. Yo, here, what they are giving? The question only now. For freely falling body, particle u is 0 only. Here one body is there. If you drop that body, obviously that initial velocity of the body becomes 0. Why? We are not giving any velocity to that, but simply we are dropping. For example, if you throw any body, we are giving some velocity with your hand, you are giving some velocity to that body. Then only body will get the velocity, body or particle. If you drop from certain height, so we are dropping, means we are not giving any velocity. Then how the initial velocity is 0? They're asking initial velocity. You're wrong, and the question leaving.
Sir, but they can ask, they can take the initial velocity while the body is falling and then until the body falls.
Sorry, ma?
Like initial velocity need not be 0. Because if the object, they can measure the distance from when the initial velocity is some value and then it falls to another initial velocity v, and then they measure the distance taken to change the
Listen, 1 second. The final velocity of a particle falling freely. From what height it is falling, ma? 120
from
centimeter.
x.
Okay. 120 centimeter. Am I right?
Yes.
120 centimeter, it is falling freely. So from 120 centimeter, maybe, of course, so body is coming from somewhere else, according to you. Is it correct?
Yes.
So body is coming from somewhere high, somewhere else, and it is reaching.
They didn't necessarily drop it from 120 centimeters above the ground. They could have dropped it at some other distance above the ground, and then it would have reached its initial velocity at 120 centimeters, and then it increased up to v. So initial velocity need not be 0.
The final velocity of particle falling freely under the gravity is given by. So how normal students can understand about this? Generally, for freely falling body, what u is 0, right? Of course, if it is coming from somewhere else, it will not be 0. Chalo, anyhow, what we can do? U square equal to v square minus 2gx. Right? V value is what, ma? They're asked U value in meter per second square. Okay, first we will convert it. First we will substitute all centimeters, no problem. Last we will convert. And here V value they are giving. V value what they are giving? 18 kilometer per hour. To convert kilometer per hour into meter per second, can you say
5 by 18, sir.
Yeah, it is 5 meter per second. Okay, and X value 120 centimeter. It becomes 1.2 meter. Next, G value 1000 centimeter per second square. It becomes what? 10 meter per second square. Meter per second square. So 3 values we know. Then put in that equation, in this equation. Yeah. So here U square equal to V value is what? 5 square minus 2G into 10. X value is what? 1.2. 1.2. So 25. It becomes 24. No, 2 into 12. It becomes 25 minus 24. It becomes 1. So that implies U equal to 1 meter per second. 1 meter per second. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Completed, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
7.
1 minute. Done, sir.
74. See that? The equation which is dimensionally correct among the following. So according to principle of homogeneity, we have to check. First option, V equal to U plus AT square. LHS is what? LT power minus 1. V. U is LT power minus 1. Okay. And here A means LT power minus 2. And it is minus 2. Okay. It is a T square. I forgot here. T square. So T square. It becomes LT power minus 1 and L. Wrong, right? Absolutely wrong. Why? Because dimensional formula of U, dimensional formula of AT square should be same. Then only we can add that 2. But here dimensional formula of U is what? LT power minus 1. So instead of writing this one, first we can check here. We can check here. Dimensional formula of U is LT power minus 1. Dimensional formula of AT square is what? A means LT power minus 2 and T square. So it becomes L. So 100% it is dimensionally wrong because U and AT square are not equal, right? Understand this?
Yes, sir.
Similarly, S equal to UT plus ATQ. S equal to UT plus ATQ. So this one and this one should be same. Right. So UT equal to LT power minus 1 and T is a T. Then it becomes what? L. Okay. Then ATQ. ATQ means what? A is LT power minus 2 and TQ means TQ. It becomes LT. So obviously it is wrong, right? These two are not equal. All should be equal. You can get that out here. V equal to U, right? Okay, fine. V equal to U. And at the same time, U should be equal to AT square. All conditions should be satisfied now. Here, V equal to U plus AT square. Okay. At the time of definition, what I told, so Z equal to X plus Y means dimensional formula of X equal to Y, dimensional formula of Z equal to Y, dimensional formula of Z equal to X. So whenever these three conditions are satisfying, we can write this equation. Or if you are writing this equation, these three conditions should be satisfied. Vice versa. Okay. Here S equal to UT. So S dimensional formula L, U dimensional formula L. Okay, fine. These two are equal, but these two are not equal, and also these two also not equal. Okay, that is why if we are writing Z equal to X plus Y means dimensional formula of Z should be equal to dimensional formula of X, and also dimensional formula of Z should be equal to dimensional formula of Y, and also dimensional formula of X equal to dimensional formula of Y. Three conditions should be satisfied. Then only that equation is dimensionally correct. If one is not satisfying, if all are not satisfying, dimensionally that equation is wrong. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So third option, see that third option, what is that? S equal to UT plus AT square. UT plus AT square. Right. So UT is what? LT power minus 1 into T. Into T. It becomes L only. AT square is what? LT power minus 2 and T square. It is L. Perfect. And S dimensional formula is what? L. Very good. So if you consider Z equal to X plus Y, all are satisfied. All are satisfied. Okay. So we can say this is dimensionally correct. Completed. See that 75 problem. The dimensional formula of K in the relation. So V equal to K A V T. Okay. V is what? V is what here? Volume of liquid passing through any point in a time t. So V is what here? V by T. Remember carefully. V is not V. V is V by T. Means LT. Sorry. Volume dimensional formula what? LQ by T. So LQ T power minus 1. Okay. And A is area. Area dimensional formula what? L square. V is a velocity. V is what here? Velocity. So here, observe carefully. It is a velocity. It is a volume. Small v is a velocity. Is what here? LT power minus 1. Okay. Then K equal to V by, and here T is anyhow T. Okay. So here V by A V T. V is what? V dimensional formula what? Are you understanding? Respond by anyone. Are you listening?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Respond ma, sometimes please respond. So LT power minus 1 and T is T. It is, what is the answer for this one? LQ T power minus 1. LQ, these two will get cancelled. L cube, that's all. So this will get cancelled. T power minus 1. So K equal to M power 0, L power 0, T power minus 1. Is it correct?
Yes, sir. Third option, sir.
Yes. Third option. These are all dimension formula. Completed?
Yes, sir.
76 ma. A force F, work W, and velocity V are taken as a fundamental quantities. Then the dimensional formula of time T. So, which method we have to follow? Can you say? Yesterday I gave uses of applications of dimensional analysis. First one is convert one system of units into another system. Second one is what? Principle of homogeneity. And second one is what? To check the correctness of given equation. Third one is what? Third one is deduce the relation among the different physical quantities.
Yes, sir. Time period of simple.
Yeah, I'll give one. Of course, one more. I gave the time period T equal to finally what we got K into root over L by G.
MA. That also, sir.
Yeah. So here T is force, work, velocity. Force, work, velocity. F, W, V are taken as a fundamental quantities. So that means last one, last application. What is that? So we can design our own system of units. We can design our own system of units. Instead of considering mass, length, time, they are considering force, work done, velocity as a fundamental quantities. Force, work done, velocity as a fundamental quantities. Then we have to obtain the dimensional formula in terms of FWV. Very simple, you know. It is T means what? T power 1 means what we can write? M power 0, L power 0, T power 1. Force dimensional formula what? ML
1 T.
Yeah. Work
Minus
done ML square T power minus 2 P. And velocity LT
minus 1.
Yeah. It becomes M power A, L power A, T power minus 2A, M power B, L power 2B, T power minus 2B. Lengthy, I think. L power C, T power minus. M power A plus B, L power A plus 2B plus C, T power minus 2A minus 2B minus C. Okay. Yeah, it is coming. M power 0, L power 0, T power 0. So A plus B equal to 0, one equation. A plus 2B plus C equal to 0. And minus 2A minus 2B minus C is equal to 1. Simple. If we add second equation, third equation, see here. Second equation, third equation, both B and C are going, simply going. Already explained this model. That is a little bit fast. I'm going this model. Can anybody solving this?
Sir, is A equal to 1?
Correct. B equal to -1 because A plus B is 0, right?
Yes, sir.
Did you complete up to here?
C is -3, no, sir?
Correct, ma'am. -3 na. Ayyo, no, ma'am. C is also 1, I think. 1 or
-1, sir.
-1. You are right. You are right. Solve it, ma. Please solve it. This also you should solve it, ma. Equation solving, you know, right? A should be 1, ma. B -1. A is 1 or 1 only, ma.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, you told you'll give homework questions.
Yes, ma. Yes, I'm giving. 77 to 86, ma. 80 you cannot let. 80, 81, 82. Okay, remove the 3 problems, ma. You cannot. 84 also you cannot. 85 also you cannot. Do one thing, ma. Do one thing. 86 to 95. Same model, ma. What we are doing, same model. 86 to tick all of it. 86 to 95. Exactly 10 problems.
Sir, then that 77, 78.
That I will do. That I will do.
Okay.
That I will do.
So
Coefficient of
86 to 95, sir.
Yes, ma. Please, ma. Please try to complete all of you.
You should
Okay,
send it, sir.
No. No need to send, ma. I can trust you. You're better to complete. Tomorrow I will ask.
Okay, sir.
Okay, ma. Thank you, ma. Thank you, one
Can
and
you tell the questions we have to do again?
Sorry, ma.
Can you tell the questions we have to do again?
Yes, ma. 86 to 95.
Okay.
Only 10 questions. Ma. Easy models, same models.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Right, ma. Thank you, one and all. Thank you, ma.
Yes, sir.
Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.